Prime Minister holds productive talks with the opposition, treats seniors, and thanks staff for hard work over the past year. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Lorraine Mendez. At the top of the week, Prime Minister Andrew Holness held constructive talks with the parliamentary opposition. Out of those talks, Mr. Holness directed the National Works Agency to share its template of priorities with all members of Parliament to get them fully updated on the agency's All-Island Mitigation Programme. The Prime Minister also explained that the second phase of the $548 million island-wide mitigation program will focus exclusively on drain cleaning, and he acknowledged the opposition as a key partner in the country's governance structure. Word came Friday that Dr. Donald Farquharson had been appointed Managing Director of the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ. His appointment took effect on December 1. In announcing the appointment, FCJ Chairman Littleton Shirley said he was confident that Dr. Farquharson had the expertise and management capabilities to resolve the issues raised recently in the public domain. Mr. Shirley added that the FCJ's Board of Directors was committed to fulfilling the mandate issued by Prime Minister Andrew Holness of realigning the corporation's functions. Targets include improving management control, expansion of commercial and industrial space, and increasing the return on asset and profitability of the FCJ. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says his administration continues to work to ensure that Jamaica's foreign policy supports its economic policy. Mr. Holness is part of the island's foreign policies to find investment opportunities around the world. He was speaking at Tuesday's send-off reception for newly appointed Jamaican High Commissioner to the United Kingdom, George Ramakan.
It's important that you do carry out the diplomatic and consular functions, but the Jamaican government will be keeping a scorecard on how well you are able to bring business and opportunities to Jamaica. That's an important part of your task.
While expressing confidence in High Commissioner Ramakan's abilities, the Prime Minister also instructed him to activate the paradiplomatic influence of the diaspora.
In your engagement with the diaspora, it's not just to reminisce about Jamaica or be critical of the problems of Jamaica, but to find those persons in the diaspora that have influence and access to the halls of power in the countries that they have adopted, to use that for Jamaica's benefit.
Prime Minister Holness was in the giving mood Wednesday as he hosted a Christmas treat for senior citizens from several homes. And Mr. Holness thanked the staff of the Office of the Prime Minister and the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation for their hard work at a staff appreciation function. He was clear that they will be expected to work even harder in the upcoming year, but urged them to make the most of the festive season.
We can't allow the difficult economic circumstances to take away from the good that exists within us. And so I want us tonight and for the rest of the season to enjoy the season, to enjoy the true meaning of the season, which is our family, looking out for the poor and vulnerable, and remembering Jesus Christ, our Savior.
And Prime Minister Holness held talks with a number of visitors to Jamaica House this past week. On Tuesday, he welcomed a delegation from Maribeni, operators of the Jamaica Public Service Company. And on Wednesday, Mr. Holness pledged to work closer with the European Union on areas of mutual interest. The Prime Minister gave that commitment when he met with head of the European delegation in Jamaica. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.